Hey you guys, we're back with another recipe. Memorial Day is around the corner and the 4th of July is next, so you want to add creamy mac and cheese to your holiday menu. This goes great with ribs, chicken, brisket, whatever you're having for your holiday. So we're going to start off with nothing but the best, Velveeta cheese of course. So you just want to cut it into small pieces. So we're going to start cutting it like so, and just cut it and cut it and cut it. And till you get it into smaller pieces, and then you just cut a little bit more. They don't have to be super small. And then we're going to prep our water for our noodles. We're going to use a little oil and a little salt. You don't want your pasta to stick together, and you want to give it a little flavor. So go ahead and add your cheese into the pot. And then you're also going to add some milk, whole milk. Don't use skim milk. You want whole milk for this recipe. And go ahead and put the top on it. After a few minutes, go ahead and check on it and give it a stir. You want to make sure that the cheese is not sticking to the bottom of your pot. So we're ready to add the macaroni to the pot. Love to use large elbow macaroni. You can also use the small pieces of macaroni, whichever is your favorite. And once it's done, it'll look about like so. You want to cook it until before it's completely done, like a little bit above al dente, so because your pasta is still going to cook in the oven. So what I like to do is place the pasta in the strainer and then run cold water over it to stop the cooking process. And after you've done that, you're going to go ahead and keep checking on your cheese. It's about done. And so what we're going to do is go ahead and turn the heat off and then just let it sit. You can't see me turning the heat off, but I did after that. So we're also going to prep some butter for our macaroni and cheese. So all you want to do is cut your butter into small pieces as well, because we're going to add that right into our bowl with our macaroni and cheese. So let me show you the process. I know y'all see it over there in the corner, but I'm going to show you the process right here. Alright, so go ahead and put your macaroni into a bowl. And then we're going to go ahead and add our milk and our cheese mixture. I'm going to mix all that together, and then we're going to start adding our shredded cheese. Sharp is the best. It gives your macaroni a little kick, adds a boost of flavor to really balance out that Velveeta cheese. Alright, and we're going to give it a good mix, and then we're going to get ready to add our cubes of butter. So go ahead and add your cubes of butter right on top, and then we're going to give it a good mix again. Alright, and then we're going to get ready to add some more cheese. You want to add a good layer of cheese on top. You want to make sure to add enough shredded cheese to where it's covering the entire top of your macaroni. You want to seal this macaroni with cheese so it's the best. We're going to cover it with foil, and we're going to place it in the oven, and once it's done, we're going to take the foil off and turn on the broiler so we can get that nice pretty brulee on the top of our macaroni and cheese, and we are good and ready to eat, y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank y'all for watching.